Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another nighttime clean with me. So I'm about to clean my kitchen because I just got done cooking. So I got some dishes over here in the sink, and over here I need to put away my spices and sauces that I had, out from earlier. So yeah, this video is just gonna be a little quick, nighttime cleaning. I don't have a whole lot, that need to be cleaned. I'm not gonna be, cleaning the living room because it's not dirty. It's just mainly the kitchen. So I'm just gonna be putting everything back where it belongs, and wiping down my counters, and washing my dishes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm off to a late start because I don't get off till like late in the evening. So I didn't come straight home from work, but by the time I got home, I decided I wanted to cook a lasagna. So that's what I did. So yeah, I'm just cleaning up my mess so I won't have to worry about it in the morning, because I do have somewhere else, to be in the morning. And I just love, waking up to a clean kitchen. So I'm about to put this lasagna, in the refrigerator. So here's an up close, picture of it. It was so good, y'all. I really, enjoyed it. So hello to those of you that are new to my channel. My name is Angelica, and if y'all are into these type of cleaning videos and y'all need a little cleaning motivation, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe. If you haven't already, I would greatly appreciate your support. And for those of you that are already subscribed, I thank y'all for coming back and checking out my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this video, and I hope y'all enjoy.
Silent treatment in your cup, baby, we don't need to talk. Sorry if I'm making this hard. Now I'm just wondering where we are. I don't wanna face the consequences, but baby, yeah, I hate second guessing. I'm just wondering where we are. Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Baby, let keep driving on